Hey crafty friend, it's Connie here, and today I am sharing an unboxing video for Inner Creativity shop. It's an Etsy shop that has acrylic, spring confettis, wood veneer pieces. I will go ahead and link the link in the description box below, and you can also favorite the shop to get 15% off your first order. Okay, I'm just showing you here the things that I sell. The first one I am going to be showing a spring kit. It comes with 5 pieces, and of course you can buy those all individually, and they come in different color. They were beautiful, small, grow and bloom, be yourself. Spring comes with the white pieces and also with the colorful letters, and a floral pack. That's the floral pack that comes in the kit, but of course there is also another option if you prefer something different. And like I said, you can find them all individually just in case something in the kit doesn't work for you. The next one is an Easter kit that I created. This one is for, it has a little sequin mix, the word Easter, the Hap and Bunny confetti, the word Hap, and then also this wood veneer piece that's engraved bunny with the word Happy Easter and a Happy Easter word that you can add to an album or a 12 by 12 layout. So this one comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. And you can also find those individually if something in the kit doesn't work for you. Okay, so these are the other pieces that I have. This is a heart confetti. Comes with 3 shades of different colors, so 15 hearts in total. And this is the other floral pack that I have available, but if you prefer the other color, you can also get it upside away from the kit. So option A and option B. You will see in my shop. Once you go over there, you can see the difference. This is What a Lovely Day, Be Yourself in a Different Color, Grow and Bloom, You're So Sweet in purple and teal. I love those colors, beautiful. Lovely Moments comes in this light teal, and also I have the option for a pink, this pastel pink, and those are the words that are also available. Okay, here are some peeps. I'm showing you that you can get the option between a charm hole or no charm hole, face and no face. And those little packs come with 8 pieces. Here is the word Easter. You can also get it in yellow and blue, or like I showed you earlier, in the color pink. So you have 3 options. The word Happy Moments comes in purple and yellow. A Happy Easter has 4 different colors. Dark teal, lighter teal, yellow, and of course you can find it in that apricot color like that I showed you earlier, that was in the Easter kit. Here it is. The only difference between them is the font. One is a little more slim and the other one is more bubbly, but you do have the options with the font on the colors, so that's your option also. The word Beautiful also comes in this green color. Here I am showing you that the charm holes on the bunny and Hap confetti, because I know some of us create little cute dangles and we like to add little embellishments to our dangles, so you have the option to add those. No hole or hole. This word pack comes with the words Spring, Sunshine, and Beautiful, 3 words. And right now this bunny, Somebody Loves You, comes with the color blue or pink with the veneer piece. That little bunny is so cute. The word Hello Spring, once again in the color yellow or green, has like a metallic sheen to them. The word Good Vibes, yellow and purple, and the Hello Peeps comes with a veneer piece. Once again, you can find all these pieces in my Etsy shop. I will go ahead and put the link in the description box below. Remember, you can get 15% off your first order if you favorite my shop. Let me know in the comments which piece is your favorite. If you're looking for something custom, you can always reach out to me. If it's words, acrylic albums, anything, just let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.